Hi kids!
In our last lesson, we learned about our bills and coins and also using them. Today we will learn more on using bills and coins. So let's get started. Now, let's practice a few more questions. If one teddy bear is for $55, then how much does 2 teddy bears cost? Let's solve the problem. One teddy costs $55, so 2 teddies will cost $55 plus $55, or 55 multiplied by 2. $55 plus $55, or 55 multiplied by 2, we get 110. So, 2 teddies will cost $110. Let's move to another question. If Mr. Joe pays 2 $50 bills to pay for the teddy, what will be his change? 2 $50 bills makes $100. Now, subtract cost of teddy from $100. $100 minus $55, we get $45. So, Mr. Joe's change will be $45. Now, let's take another example. Here is a toy truck which is on sale. How much do you save if you buy it? Let's find it out. The regular price is $78 and the sale price is $50. So, 78 minus 50 equals 28. So you save $28 if we purchase this truck. Now, let's move to another question. Seol wants to buy both the toys, but she is short of $5. Then how much money does she have? The cost of both toys will be $46 plus $34 equals $80. So, cost of both toys is $80. And she is short of $5. So, $80 minus $5 equals $75. It means she has $75. Now, let's solve another problem. Sam paid $80 for both these toys. If Butterfly alone costs $33, then what is the cost of the toy parrot? Let's find it out. Money paid for both is $80. The cost of the butterfly is $33. Then cost of the parrot is $80 minus $33 equals $47. So, cost of parrot is $47. Now, let's solve a few more problems. Here is all the money Lisa has. Then calculate how much does Lisa have. Let's find it out. We have a $20 bill and a $10 bill. So we have $30. We have a toonie, which is $2. Then we have 4 quarters. That will make 100 cents or $1. So in all, there are 30 plus 2 plus 1 equals 33. So Lisa has $33. Let's solve another question. Here is all the money Kathy has. Then calculate how much it is. Let's calculate. Lisa has 2 $5 bills, so it makes $10. 2 $20 bills, that makes $40. Then we have a $50 bill. So in all, we have bills of 10 plus 40 plus 50 equals $100. And 3 toonies make $6. So in all, there are 100 plus 6 equals $106. So kids, today we learned making money amounts up to $100 and using the least number of bills and coins for that. Now you can go shopping with your mom and use your savings. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!